Good day, welcome to Mr. Yu Hanep Hobby. So ito po ating unit na WE High Kappa T-Rex color silver. Yan, so gas blowback type, made in Taiwan. Yan, so may kasama po siyang sticker. Yan, 29 plus 1, 30 rounds capacity, High Kappa magazine. Yan, so may kasama siyang mount for red dot. So ito po ating unit. Yan, color silver. So meron din po tayong available na color black nito. Yan. So may magwell na po yan, staple grip. Po yung trigger, tactical railings. Yan, so naka fiber optic na po yan, front and rear side. Yan, so sa right side naman yung mga markings niya. So may serration yan sa front and rear slide. Yan, so may railings po yan, pwedeng lagyan ng laser or flashlight. So check po natin ang magazine. So, goods. Nag-slide lock po siya, ibig sabihin nadidetect niya na wala ng bala yung magazine. So yan.